Making a WhatsApp sticker shouldn't be so difficult. So in this tutorial, I'll show you how to make a WhatsApp sticker in Canva. To get started, let's get our image. I'll be using this image. You can use any image. Remove the background. With the background removed, let's stretch this image out and so we can fill up some space. Now we can go ahead and add our text. Let's get this speech bubble or cloud, that's the name. I think I would prefer a speech bubble. Just delete. Let's get a shape that's the speech bubble. That's more appropriate. You can use this one. Round speech bubble. Stretch this out. Maybe resize from this point. You can rotate it. Then get a text. You see? We can actually write this text within the speech bubble. So just double click and you see with my question mark. Yeah. Let's increase the size. Make it bold. Good. Now we can go ahead and download this as a transparent background, PNG transparent background. Download. Once we are done downloading, you re-upload it and then proceed. Image re-uploaded. Let's go to edit and add a shadow outline. Scroll down to shadows. Select outline. We can change this outline to white. Let's change it to a white color outline. Then change this background to black so we can see our outline clearly. Good. Let's stretch this out. Now let's download this again so we can add a drop shadow to our sticker. So let's download, add another page, and then get our image. Let's change this to a white background so we can see our shadow. And go back to edit photo. Scroll down to shadows. Add a drop shadow. So this is our sticker. You can then upload this. You can then download and then upload on your WhatsApp. So this is simply how to create WhatsApp sticker.